Before you start using ezReMoTer on your phone, you need to set the permission settings for the application first. Now to do that on a Nokia phone, generally you go into the menu, go to apps, go to installations, and you will see ezReMoTer already installed. Before you start the application, go to App Manager, Install Apps, go to ezReMoTer, hit Settings. Make sure your access point is set correctly to the service provider that you are using, so that you can access the internet. For the other items down here, please choose the highest possible settings. Like for example, network access, choose ask first time only. For call control, ask every time. Messaging, ask every time. Application auto start, ask first time only, so on and so forth. So make sure everything is set correctly, and then go back out and start the application. Now when you start the application, you will see the login screen first. This is where you key in your login details. So for the first text field, the URL text field, you can either key in the fixed IP that your system admin gave you, or you use the DYN DNS host name that you selected when you sign up to the DinDin's account. Port number is the listening port on the PC HQ server side, and this is set by the system admin as well when the PC server is installed. Username is your username and ID is your ID. So when everything is set correctly, no white spaces please, then you can hit OK. When you first start up the application, you will see a notice like this. It will ask permission to use positioning data. Say select allow for this session and say yes. Same for the next one, say allow for this, select allow for this session as well and hit yes. And there you go, you have now successfully logged in. For Sony Ericsson phones, it's you need to set the permissions settings in the beginning as well before you start using ezReMoTer. So you go into applications folder, find ezReMoTer, hit options, go to permissions, select trusted. Now Sony Ericsson is a lot more simplified in this sense. Same thing, go to options, go to internet settings, make sure you have your correct ISP selected. In my case it's default because I've already set my internet settings over here, and that's using my service provider, and I want to keep them the same for ezReMoTer. So same thing, you see the login screen before you log in. Enter your host name up here in the top text field, the listening port number on the PC side, your username and your ID. When you log in, you see this prompts again to say yes, then yes again. It will not appear again during the lifetime of this session. So now you're logged in. Thank you very much.